Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So basically I'm going to be doing a hair curling tutorial with my 1.5 inch curling iron, and I'm going to be touching up my roots with my 1 inch flat iron, and I'm going to go from here to here, divide my hair in half, and then so that's how this set up and out of the way. And then I'm going to go from here again to here and split this in half, okay? And then I'm going to clip this out of the way with a clip like this, okay? So then, and from the back, you take a finger and you're just kind of feel for your tracks in the back of your head to where you feel like you kind of have a even section of hair in your hand. And I'm gonna twist this up. I'm gonna take a different color clip so I can know which one is which. Okay, these are the best clips ever. They're my favorite clips. They're called crocodile clips. I got a 10-pack from Amazon for $8. The bomb. So because we're not gonna go all the way up the shaft of the hair when we curl, I'm gonna take the flat iron and just touch up the roots and make sure they're straight. Just take a little bit of that wave out so the hair will lay flatter. Then I'm gonna divide this piece into two because we're doing medium-sized curls. So this is about 1/2 inch. Okay. On the right side of your body, to get curls that are going away from your face, you turn the curling iron upside down. Okay. Take your piece of hair, take the curling iron upside down, clip it around the hair, and flip it backwards. Then grab the hair and go again. And go back. So yeah, this is the curl. We're gonna take our pink clip, which has the other piece of hair that we need. I'm gonna brush it to make sure that it's flat. One day I'll do a tutorial with a smaller curl, but like I said, flipped upside down, backwards. So yeah, this is the curl that we're working with. We're just gonna take down the rest of that right back section, get going on that. We're gonna be using 1.5 inch sections of hair, flipping that backwards. We're gonna be loose on the root. We want it to be bouncy. We don't want to take away too much of the natural length of your hair. We're using wide sections and big pieces to promote a bouncier, fuller curl. Using the flat iron and getting that wave out really makes the hair fall nicely. You can do without it, but that's only something I do when I know I'm going to curl all the way to the root. Otherwise, the hair is just going to have a poofiness that it just doesn't need to have. When you end up with your 5 to 7 pieces of hair, you're going to go over to your left side, and we're going to be turning the curling iron right side up. And we're going to be flipping the hair under, but this is going to be going away from your face on your left side. Just as on your right side, flipping it upside down makes it as well go away from your face. telling you guys. Put it in an ice water bath. So as we get finished with this left back section of hair, we just want to make sure that we're not getting too close to the root, and that especially at the top of the hair, we're giving about 4 to 5 inches of leeway so that the hair is straight and then it cascades into a curl, not curled from root to tip. So when we switched up to the front of the hair, this is the moment where you have to frame all of this hair around your face. Think of the section of hair on that side as an upside down triangle, and the piece of hair in my hand is the tip. I want you to curl that piece of hair just like all the other pieces, and then go up the side of that triangular section of hair and just get 1-inch pieces and just go up the side. These pieces of hair you can recognize almost like they're still going to be going towards the back of your head, and you're just kind of picking up where you left off in the back. So as you curl that, now you have an even smaller triangular section of hair. And I want you to curl this small piece, just like the other one, into a ringlet, and just let it fall. And now you can see this almost like this is your bang, okay? And it's a wide, flat piece of hair that you just want to give a little drag to, so that it doesn't look so much like a ringlet, but more of a wave of hair. You just want to give it a little pull with a curling iron. This is that bat wing. This is that swooped away bang. And if the piece of hair is not that size and shape, it's not going to do that. So when you switch over to the other side, just take these pieces of hair, remember that you need that wide, flat piece of hair in order to get that framed wing away bang. So we are done. This is it before I pulled it out, before I did anything to it, because y'all, I'm the curl Nazi. Do you hear me? I pulls out the curls. I take the time, I curl the hair, and I pull them out because I just love it. So this is me after I started messing with it. It's just effortless. You can wear this curl every day of your life and you have lived a good one. Check out my next video of me giving an update on my 16-month-old Sassy Mitchell Hair. You won't want to miss it. Check it out.